Hello friends, welcome to Learner's Planet. This is Alka Maheshwari. Okay, in this session we are going to see some more methods of multiplication. In the series, first of all, let's take multiplication of numbers which are closer to 100,000, 10,000, etc. As a first case, we'll be taking when the base is 100 and both the numbers are smaller than 100. Now, when the base is 100, what I mean to say when the base is 100 is when both the numbers or any one of them is closer to 100 and other is maybe closer, maybe may not be closer to 100. In the case when the base is 100, we'll be taking the difference of the numbers from 100. Let's see in this example. Here we have been given 98 into 92. Okay, and I just would like to remind you we are taking the base as 100. So let's start calculating 98 into 92. It's 98 into 92. We have to multiply. Now what 98? It is 2 less than 100. So it is 2 less than 100 and it is 8 less than 100. Okay. What we are doing over here, we are just finding out the difference of the given number from 100. So 98 is 2 less than 100 and 92 is 8 less than 100. Now we just have to multiply these two numbers, that is 2 into 8. It will give you 16. Okay. Now why base is important over here? See, since there are two zeros in 100, from this multiplication 2 and 8, we have to fill up two digits. If we are getting one digit only from this multiplication, then we have to put up a 0 before that. And if we are getting more than two digits from this multiplication, the 100 digit will be carried over to the next calculation. Okay, but in this case we are getting just two digits only, so we just write them as it is. Now what next is, we have to find out the difference of these two numbers. Okay, means we have to go for a cross subtraction. We can do either 98 minus 8 or we can do 92 minus 2. In both the cases we'll be getting the same number, same results, but you do the calculation which you find easy. So 92 minus 2 or 98 minus 8 will in both cases will be getting as 90. So 98 into 92 will give you the answer as 9016. It's very simple friends. You just observe the pattern, just visualize the calculation and do it quickly. Okay, let's take another example. Now let's take the example of 91 into 89. Okay. Just write the number over here, 91 and 89. It's minus 9 from 100, it is minus 11 from 100. Now from these two numbers multiplication, 11 into 9, 99, and from the cross subtraction either 89 minus 9 or 91 minus 11 will be getting 80. So the multiplication of 91 into 89 or the multiplication of 91 and 89 will produce 8099. It's very simple friends. Let's take another example, 95 into 96. Let's begin. 95 into 96. It's minus 5 from 100, it is minus 4 from 100. 5 into 4 will give us 20. Then 95 minus 4 will give us 91. We have to subtract in cross. So whether we subtract 95 minus 4 or 96 minus 5, in both the cases we'll be getting the same answer. So we just have to subtract the cross subtraction for ones only. Okay. Similarly, 97 into 98. It is minus 3 from 100 and it is minus 2 from 100. Now 3 2s are 6. But as we have already discussed earlier, then from this multiplication we have to fill up 2 digits since we are taking the base as 100. And there are 2 zeros in the 2 zeros in 100. So with this multiplication we have to fill up 2 digits. So 3 2s are 6, but we will write 0 6. Now with the cross subtraction we'll be getting 95. So 97 minus 2 will be getting as 95. As a whole, the calculation becomes 9506. Similarly, 99 into 91. It's minus 1. It's minus 9. 9 ones. 1 into 9 will give us 9. Further, we have to fill up 2 digits. So we'll write 0 9. Then either this subtraction or this subtraction will give us 90. Okay. The calculation and the method is actually very simple. Just practice and bring them in your day-to-day life. Similarly, in this case, 99 into 89. It's minus 1 from 100. It is minus 11 from 100. 11 into 1 will give us 11, and 89 minus 1 will give 88. Okay, very big number but very small, very quick calculation. Okay friends, now let's take more examples. 88 into 98. Let's begin. 88 into 98. It is minus 12 from 100 and it is minus 2. So 2 12s, 24. 88 minus 2 will give us 86. So 88 into 98 is 8624. Similarly, 75 into 95. It is minus 25 from 100 and it is minus 5 from 100. Now 25 into 5 is 125, but as we have already discussed, we cannot write 125 as it is since we have chosen the base as 100 and there are 2 zeros only in 100. So with this multiplication, we'll be filling 2 digits only. So 25 5s are 125. We'll write 25 and 1 will be carried over. Now 75 minus 5 is 70 and plus this 1 will get 70. 75 minus 5 is 70 and with this one we'll be getting 71. So the answer is 7125. Let's take the next example. 65 into 97. So 65 97. 65 is minus 35 from 100 and it is minus 3 from 100. Now 35 into 3 is 105. Further we just write 05 over there and 1 will be carried to the next calculation. Now 65 minus 3 will be 62 plus this 1 will be getting 63. So 65 into 97 is 6305. Very quick, very interesting. Let's take one more example. 98 into 77. So it's minus 2 from 100. It is minus 23 from 100. Okay. So 23 into 2, 46, and 77 minus 2 will give us 75. So friends, the methods are very simple. In the same session, we'll be discussing more about it. Now, in the previous case, in this case, we have chosen the base is 100. Now, what if the base is maybe 1000, maybe 10,000 and so on? So, let's begin.